guys, making sure here button
video. Get out of my room.
But we're doing an announcement together, aren't we?
Because we're making butter slime soon. I gave it away.
That's on her channel. Yeah, we're not supposed to give it away, but
I'm sorry I did. I just love butter slime.
it's on her channel.
Yeah, this is our first time making it.
Actually,
We're doing it
it's
soon.
going to be on my channel, too.
Hey.
It's going to be on my channel, too. But I have a special that they don't know about.
Well, we are going to make butter slime the first time ever.
That's her channel. And
Yeah.
this is also going out on my channel.
It's going to be really
So
fun.
I'll leave her channel down in the description.
I watched
If not,
this cute video.
this might happen or might not. At the right of your screen, there's going to be a little eye coming up right now. Yeah, right here.
Right, so what you would need is foaming soap, slime activator, which is
Borax.
which is
It's a
which
Gatorade
is water
bottle.
with borax.
It's a Gatorade bottle.
A empty Gatorade bottle.
It's an empty Gatorade bottle with borax
And water.
and water.
Smoothing aloe shaving cream. It has to be the green. And also we'll need corn starch, something.
Starch.
PVA, liquid Elmer's glue, 1 cup, bowl of goofy putty, and bowl and spoon, any kind of lotion.
Okay.
I mean, it's a really long recipe. The video said it was easy. You lied, video.
You lied, video.
Yeah, it was like this really cute video on YouTube Kids. The slime was actually my favorite
Since
color.
she watches YouTube Kids.
Yeah, my parents said I'm not allowed to watch YouTube, but I got it on my iPad.
I allowed to watch YouTube.
Yeah, because he's older than me.
I'm 10 years old.
Get off me, Maker Shirt. You're just dumb.
So that's what Puppy Girl's doing.
yeah. I'm gonna go
You
to
guys
my
don't know
toy
how.
ponies. Well, one of them. I'm going to my favorite one.
Well, thank you guys for watching. You can click the right of the or the middle of the screen.
Yeah. I have 2 more minutes
Yeah,
left.
just somewhere it's gonna have it.
Mm-hmm.
Just go where that eye at the top was to
Yeah.
her channel, or the link down below. It might be on the screen
Yep, it
right
might.
now, but who knows? Thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all later.
Bye.